Okay, our little friend is back. So, can I focus? Dude, ugh. What the heck? Look at this. It's literally attached to the house. A fly